Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try and get into the trunk of this 6.3. As you guys know, I've been having some trouble with this tumbler. It's pushed all the way in and there's no joy. Nothing that I've tried so far will open the trunk. So what I don't want to do is to drill the lock out, because obviously that will destroy the lock, and then I'd have to put a new tumbler in there. It would be a different key for the ignition and doors to the trunk. So I want to try and preserve this and fix it if I can open this trunk up. So what I'm going to do today, I've got my other car, my 4.5, to use as comparison. Basically I'm going to remove the fuel door, unbolt the fuel door if this comes off okay, otherwise just prop it open, and we're going to make a small hole up through here to be able to activate the latch with a screwdriver or something like that. And I've also got myself a little rubber grommet, because this is obviously very hidden up here, and I'll fill the hole with a little rubber grommet, a blanking grommet, and when I do come to paint the car, I'll probably just take care of the hole then. So that way we can get inside the trunk with minimal damage, and see what's in there, because you never know what's hidden in here. Might be a boatload of spares, you never know. So let's get this door off first, and we'll go to the next step. Okay, we've unbolted the fuel door. I released the spring so I wasn't fighting the tension of the door, the two springs, and there's a couple of 10mm nuts on here that you can undo, and then it just slides up. The vacuum line's still attached, but I'm going to take that off in a minute. Now what I need to do is find out exactly where that latch mechanism is. Now I do know that it's not dead center, it's not centered behind this tumbler, just because I checked the other car, and I'll show you that right now, and then we'll get some measurements from that, and then we can track over, because it's set slightly to the left. As you can see on this is my 4.5, the tumbler's centered here, but the pin to the latch is just slightly off center from that. So I'm going to go over, it looks like probably about 3/4 of an inch to an inch over from the center, and then drill through the steel there into this chamber behind, and then I should be able to run a screwdriver up to operate this latch. So I was right, it was 3/4 of an inch over this way, and approximately 2.5 inches in should bring us right below that latch line. So what I'm going to do, I've got a pencil here, I've got some tape whoops, that I'll stick underneath there so that I can get some approximation of where to drill the hole. You're going to need a close quarters drill here, obviously, because there's not a lot of room. I have an old Milwaukee close quarters drill here that's going to be able to enable me to get up there, hopefully. Get a small drill to start with. Okay, we've got all that plugged in. This will represent where the tumbler is. Get an idea there. That is 3/4 of an inch over. Let's mark center first. And then 3/4 there. 2.5 inches. And make it big enough that I can wiggle a screwdriver around in there. Okay, obviously keep the cap on. Don't want any filings going into the tank. Okay, even with the close quarters drill, it was pretty tight in there, and if I went to anything longer, I just haven't got the room. So the only other alternative here is to get an extra long drill and come from the underside. So I've got this one, and so obviously you've got to be careful you don't touch your chrome. That's another reason to take the fuel door off, because you wouldn't be able to do this with that on. So let's see how this works. Right, we're through. Let's see if we can do this. Take the cap off there for some more room. It's all feel, you see. Nearly got it there, I think. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? Yep. Oh, MacGyver. Okay, I'm not going to open that until I reset the camera. Okay, so this is a bit of fun. That worked really well, actually. Put the cap back on. You are the first to see in this trunk. It's probably been closed for at least 5 years, so here we go. Let me get the camera reset. Okay, quick review. Remember, this took probably about cumulative, obviously I'm messing with the camera, probably not much more than 5-10 minutes. Obviously I had to gather my tools up, but you are the first to see this. So, and there's no cheating here. I did not open this previously, so this is new to me as well. So here we go. Ready? Holy crap! Well, that's a bonus. It's got its original grey mat in there that actually looks pretty darn good. Let me get the camera relocated. No spares anyway, never mind. Let's have a look. Okay, it's got the spare tyre. Bunch of rubbish down there. Pull all that crap out. A few belts. Lead substitute. Hose. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's a bonus. That's a brand new airbag. That's nuts. That's brand new, that is. It even smells new. Right there is a $300 airbag. Is that awesome or what? Now that is just brilliant. I couldn't have asked for more, really. I mean, that is just, he's got one airbag here. Oh, that's great. Okay, so bonus one. This is all curled down. Check all that. Actually, that looks pretty good down there. This has been hacked out as something not original, but I thought the welds looked good from underneath. He's put some plastic stuff here. That doesn't look bad. Bit of surface rust, but not eaten through. Good news. Okay, let's get that spare out and have a look on the other side. Let's get that right out. Okay. Again, bit of surface rust. There's the drainage hole bung there, which is good, that's fine. Very clean. Now that's a major bonus. This mat is obviously, you know, they get dried and cracked. I'll take that out later. Got my wrench here. Jack. This is an easy fix, this is. Again, the seal doesn't look actually that bad. Not cracked. So that's great. That's great news. So anyway, trunk's open. So now we can get this. This is what I mean. See the drill hole that I drilled down there? See? You can see my hole. I was able to activate this latch pretty easily. Now we can work on getting this tumbler fixed. And I I may take this off so we don't have to worry about it latching itself again for a while. So okay, so thanks you guys for watching. Hope you guys might have learned something. I certainly did. Maybe this is applicable to other models of Mercedes with the fuel door on the back here. So 3/8 hole, I can easily fill that with a little rubber grommet, you know, paint it with some rust preventative stuff for the moment. It's tucked under here anyway. I thought that was the lesser of all evils, really. I saved my lock, got the trunk open, and major bonus, got a new airbag. I'm not sure if it's his front or rear, but looks good to me. I think it's the front. So thanks a lot for watching, you guys. Please hit subscribe if you like what you see, and the like button if you liked it, and any comments would be appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.